In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on post notifications. So before you go ahead and turn on the post notifications, you want to make sure that you have notifications enabled on your phone. So I'm on an Android device, so I'll go into my settings and then I scroll to where it says notifications. It's right at the bottom. Tap on that. And now I'm just going to search for Instagram and make sure my notifications are on. So it says enabled for Instagram, so that is a green light. I can go ahead and turn on a post notification. So I can exit out of this. I can go into Instagram, then I can go to my home page, and let's say for example I want to turn on post notifications for Wi-Fi Wealth Empire. I tap on those three vertical dots next to the post on the right, and then I simply tap on turn on post notifications. Now it says post notifications are on and they will be enabled, and every time they make a post I will get notified with a push notification. So that is how you turn on post notifications on Instagram. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.